Lightning Buffalo link. I'm going to give it a few spins. Somebody left it with 1,254 collected with a must hit by 1,800. We're going to do 1 cent denom dollar spins. There's a look at the Grand Major Minor Mini. Let's give it a few spins, see if we can get this feature to trigger early before the 1,800. Little something back there. 2 coins. Ooh, 7 Buffalo. Bunch of 4-of-a-kind kings. Oh, nice. Min balls except for 1, but we'll take it early. Alright. Let's fill it up for 11,783. I believe you can get a 250 or 200x Buffalo in this game. There we go, keep them coming. Mini for 20 bucks, I'll take that. They can all be $1 as long as we get them all, right? It is nice you can speed up that on this game. Put it as well in the front street though at 135. See if we can keep racking up the bonuses like that. Come on, coins. Oh, setting up for a good Buffalo pay there. Nothing but blockers. Hopefully this free feature triggers early. We can get it while we're still on Front Street. Oh, nice. Let's fill it up. Ooh, $100 Buffalo. Awesome. Some more of those. Get something with some words on it. There's some big ones spinning in there. Oh, we are 3 away, 1 away from a noise changer. Buffalo. Oh, we got a music changer and we got light in one of them. Light in one of them, it can come back in the other. Last chance at romance. Oh, we got light in the other one. Alright, I'm happy with it. That was a good hit. $34 on that one. Let's keep the bonuses coming like that. Frequent and good pain. I like that. There's some elk there. 40 cents. Need some buffalo. Get that free feature. Come on, coins. Coins. It sure does like to give us that one coin in reel one. It's been too long since a bonus. Let's get one. Come on, here it is. Ah, and they both rolled right by. Blocker there. Still a little something back. Ooh, there's the 200X buffalo. A coin. Oh, yes, we got it. Awesome. All right, let's get lots of coins, lots of multipliers. Coin. There we go. 5 extra games. We need some pays, Buffalo. We need some pays. Oh, 5 extra games. Oh, look at that blocker there. That would have been awesome. Oh, we need some pays. 5 more games. We're getting good games. We're not getting any money. I got $2.30 on this bonus so far. Lots of buffaloes. Nothing lining up. Finally, a little something. 4 of a kind kings for $1.50. 17 of 23. Coin. Something. Buffalo. Coin. Wow, a lot of games and really nothing to talk about. $3.90. Wow. What an absolute terrible bonus. There was a lot of buffalo spinning. Blockers and nothing lining up. There's a whole bunch of buffaloes. Coins? Ooh, 2. 1 away. Let's get that hold and spin again. That seems to be the much better bonus today. $1.30. One more. Beautiful. Looks like a small school, all men values except for 2. Started off with 11 though. I see the minor in there for 100. Come on, minor drop. Last chance at romance. Couple dollars back. $18 only on that bonus. About 390 left to guaranteed coin. Oh, where was that in the bonus? Not bad. $12 back on that spin. It's keeping us spinning. 5 of kind 9s for $2. Triple noiser. Let's get that holding spin with a school of big numbers. Bet back there. Coin, coin, coin. Five of a kind cheese and wolf. $2.40. Coin. Let's trigger that free feature pretty quick here. Ran it up to 1461, 1465 now. Little aces pay there. Where my coins at? Oh, 2 of them. Oh, nothing but a blocker there. Coin, coin. No, no. Oh, look at all those buffaloes not lining up. Come on, hold and spin. Four of a kind kings, jacks, and O's. $1.80. Coin. Oh, there it is again. Much better number values there that time. Definitely not a men's school. Drop something with a word. 200x ball. We saw it earlier. Let's drop it right here. Last spin. Kept us alive. I'll take the $2. Right here. Let's drop it. Last chance at romance. Oh, saved it. 4 more for $11,000. 3 more. 1 more for the music to change. Oh, we got a music changer. 2 more. We got light in one of them. Got light in the top one. Last chance. Oh, I will take it. $50 bill there. 257 new high water mark. Almost our bet back. Ooh, look at all those wasted wilds there. I'm glad that wasn't in the bonus. I'd have been pretty disappointed. $15.25 collected out of 1,800. It can trigger any time before 1,800. Ooh. Let's trigger it sooner than later while we're up. Only about $10 off our high water mark right now. Coin. Oh, one more. Lots of Pumas there. $6 back. Well, if you're not going to trigger soon, free feature, give me one more bonus before then. Coin. Oh, two again. Coin. There it is. Right. Lots of coins, lots of multipliers. Wow. Blocker, and we were one short from the hold and spin. Still got us at 290 already though. Oh, one shy. One shy again. Oh, there's the miner. Oh, one shy again with the miner in there for $100. Wow, we sure are getting the -1 a lot. Wow, 290. Another terrible free game. Some really good sized buffaloes in there though. Two again. Ooh, 5-of-a-kind cheese and wolf for $4.80. Half a bet back there. Four-of-a-kind elks. I don't even know if I want to ask for the coins anymore after. Oh, well, there I spoke it up. Coin bonus again. Let's hope it's better than $3. Lots of buffalo and big multipliers. Oh, blockers. Come on, coins. Triggered the free feature, so when the free games are over, we have another feature. See it in the top left corner there. Last spin. 246, our worst free game. Let's hope for hold and spin the way the free games have been going. Right, let's play our free feature. Oh, looks like we got free games. Well, let's hope it's better than $2 or $3 like our last couple have been. Oh yes, got the hold and spin in there. Some good values. Right, let's drop that major for 741 in there. Some decent ones. They're better than $1. Something with some letters. Or that 200X Buffalo. Last chance at romance. Right? $49. And I believe we still have 6 more free games. Do it again. See what the count is on $2. Let's try 2 cent, $5.98, and 5 cent, $5.07. Let's go back to 1 cent, and we'll go to $2. Get some backup spins on $2. Four of a kind cheese and wolves for $3.20. Let's get the hold and spin. I don't even want to root for the coins anymore. Coins have been an absolute terrible feature. One more. There it is. Quite a few Buffalo to trigger that there. Alright, let's fill it up. Got a mini in there for 20. Let's get a minor and a major. More to go for the grand. One more to the music changes. Last chance at romance. Oh, another $20 mini. We got light in one of them. And last spin. Oh, went right by. $82. Hold and spin is where it's at today. Put us up to a new high water mark of 337. Let's just stay away from the coin bonuses. Let's keep getting those hold'em spins if they're going to be like that. Man, if those would have been yellow buffalo, that would have been huge. Don't even want to root for the coins. I'm gonna set us a hard floor at 300 and take our money and run on this one. Hopefully we don't even have to worry about getting down there. $6 there. $0.50 back there. Oh, come on. Ooh, there's some nice balls there. It's at $60 just down the middle row. Ooh, a lot of buffaloes there. Last spin. We'll do one more on $1. Take it out at 305 cents. Cheese and Wolves. That'll be it. That was an amazing run on Lightning Buffalo Link.